With the holiday season just around the corner, it's the perfect time to show appreciation to your clients and customers in a way that they won't forget. Hey, it's Auret here with Estetino Media, and in today's video, I want to share a really cool idea with you that will take your holiday business cards to the next level using QR codes. So let's dive right in. Holiday cards are a great way to strengthen your relationship with your existing clients, especially ones that you haven't heard from in a while. And what if you could turn that static holiday card into an interactive card that delivers a gift to your client or customer in literal seconds? This is where adding a QR code to your holiday cards comes in. And I'll give you an example. This isn't necessarily a greeting card, but it's actually something that we sent out to our clients last year, kind of like a greeting card, but it's the sleeve for a box of chocolates. And I designed this. On the front, it says Happy Holidays, and on the back, it says, here's to more sweet adventures in 2023. Now, I wish I had thought of this at the time, but it would have been really cool to add a QR code here when someone scans it, offer a discount, for example, or taking them to a certain page that delivers a gift of some sort, a holiday gift. And you can do this in your business too, whether it's already you're sending out holiday cards to people, maybe they're virtual cards, or a box of chocolates like we are. Consider adding a QR code, because when your client or customer scans it with their phone, they can receive a special holiday discount, a promo to one of your products or services, or maybe when they scan it, it takes them to a page with a video message, an exclusive video message from you. This way, you're not only turning a holiday card into a thoughtful gesture, but you're also turning it into a sales opportunity or an opportunity to engage, and a personalized one at that your clients and customers will appreciate. I can tell you most people are not doing this, and that's why it's going to make you stand out. And it has the opportunity to encourage repeat business from clients and customers that maybe you've serviced in the past or they've bought from you in the past, but it's been a while since they've engaged. To implement this, you can use an online QR code generator tool. I personally love using Uniqode, formerly known as Beaconstac, which I'll link to down in the description below. But I specifically like using Uniqode for two reasons. Number one, it's easy. I always like things that are simple and easy, and the platform itself is very user-friendly. You can create a QR code, a custom QR code, very quickly and link to your free gift. Save the QR code as an image and stick it on your holiday card. And reason number two is that they allow you to track your results. So you're not just shooting in the dark with this holiday campaign. You can actually see how many people scanned the QR code from the holiday cards that you're sending out and how many people redeemed your discount or gift. And by the way, this can work for a virtual holiday card or a physical holiday card that you're sending out. I personally recommend doing the physical way because it's rare nowadays for people to receive things in the mail, and it will just really make you stand out. I've included a link to Uniqode in the description below that will give you a free 14-day trial so you can check it out. You can either use the QR code for those 14 days, after which your QR code will deactivate, or if you want to use it for longer than 14 days, when the trial is over, the next plan to upgrade is like $5 a month or something like that, which is quite reasonable considering that that investment will lead to a higher return since you'll be offering a discount on your product or service. So there you have it. Create holiday cards with QR codes on them that gives your clients and customers access to a discount or a holiday gift that they'll love. Hit the like button if you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.